If you own an Audi A3 or Q3 from 2013 to 2018, your dashboard is probably screaming for an upgrade. Stop dealing with outdated MMI screens and frustrating wired connections. This intelligent multimedia system is a complete game changer. It runs on lightning-fast Android 12 and installs seamlessly, transforming your interior instantly. Imagine enjoying truly wireless CarPlay and Android Auto navigation, all while keeping your original car functions intact. This isn't just a screen, it's a full-fledged intelligent player that respects the luxury of your vehicle. Upgrade your tech for just $329. 07 and experience driving the way it was meant to be.